I'm here with my friends. See, here's my friends. That's Vicky, Carol, and what's your name? That's Vicky, Carol, and Sydney. Hey everyone, welcome to Lovin' Life's Journey. I'm Chantel, and today I am in Salt Lake City with my friends, and we are shopping. So our first stop was Starbucks. We went, grabbed some coffee, a little bit of breakfast, and then we are standing in the line here at IKEA waiting to get in. They're not open yet. We're social distanced, 6 feet apart, and we will be wearing masks. So we're looking forward to a fun day of shopping at IKEA and several other places. So here we go. And we are in the building. I got one of those stars that I put up at Christmas time. I really like it. It's really pretty. I like those wood countertops. Isn't that pretty?
Oh yeah, that looks nice.
So if you haven't been to an IKEA before, on the upper level they have all of these rooms set up with all of their things that are for sale all set up so you can see how they're used and how they go together, and it's really fun to just walk through and look at everything.
Yeah, this is a really pretty accent wall, and I like the white cabinetry. This is really pretty.
Now we're in the lower level of IKEA. This is called the Marketplace, and this is where you find all of the products that were in the staged areas upstairs, and this is a lot of fun to look at. It can be a little overwhelming though because there's so much stuff.
I always love their lighting here at IKEA. They have a lot of unique, different light fixtures and lamps, and so it's just really fun to look through, even though I usually don't buy any of them. Yes, these are actually lamps. I did buy this one last year though. So there's just one line for the checkout that goes way back to the very back of the warehouse back there, and it winds around, and then when you get up to the checkouts they send you to whatever checkout is open. So they have the lines spaced out. There are a lot of people in line. So it is windy here, but it's a really nice day. We are now at the at-home home decor superstore. This is the store we are the most excited for. So if you live in Salt Lake or the surrounding area, is it always windy here? It's like always windy every time we come. Oh, I'm so excited. Look, Cindy's already found something and we're just like inside the door. We have lots of fall items and Christmas. And this is a big store. We are going to be here a while. Let me know in the comments if you have an at-home store, if you have been to one, and what your favorite thing about it is. So the clearance stuff is just 50% off of the marked price. So there are a few cute things. There's a lot of summer things. I think this is cute. It would be $20. These plant stands are really cute and they would be $16.50. Oh, and this is really cute too. Look at this little planter. How cute is that? That would be on sale for $20. So this store really reminds me of all the home decor things that Hobby Lobby carries, but it's just a huge store of all home decor things. There are so many beautiful things. Well, we are done shopping for now because it is time for lunch. It is like 3:30 in the afternoon and we're gonna check out this Mexican restaurant. Carol got fish tacos. Cindy got, what did you get? Chicken
fajita tacos.
And Vicky got
Taquitos.
And this is a stuffed avocado.
So this is an avocado stuffed with grilled chicken and cheese, and it's breaded and deep fried. Yum.
So that was super good food. Totally recommend this place in Sandy, Utah. Next stop is the Container Store. This is another store that none of us have ever been to. So let's go check it out. These little metal cabinets are really cute, but they are $100. Seems a little spendy. They do have a lot of containers that would be great for scrapbooking and crafting storage. I like this colorful bin. That's really cute. Oh, it's weird. It's like plasticky. That'd be fun for a kid's room. These little storage cubes are super cute. They are a little more spendy, but they're a nice big size. And look how cute the peacock and the hedgehog. The sheep. And all of these animals too. And they also have the really big bins. This is like a toy box or toy chest. For $29.99. I don't think that's too terrible. Those are super cute. Oh, and look at the little book rack. That's cute.
So my overall impression of the Container Store is they have a lot of specialized items that are great for organizing, but they are very overpriced. For example, they have this area of gift wrap and gift bags and things. And this gift bag is very cute, but it is $4.95, $5, and I just can't pay that when I can go to Dollar Tree and get a really cute bag.
And it's 7 o'clock at night, and because we haven't done enough shopping today, we're hitting TJ Maxx. Well, it is. I'm outside. I can take this off. Sunday morning, we are getting ready to head back home to Idaho. It is cooler this morning, and look, there's snow up on the mountains. And of course, we can't leave town without hitting Dollar Tree. Crafter Square aisle. sales at another store. This one's called Tuesday Morning, and it just has a lot of miscellaneous stuff in it. Some pretty good prices usually, so kind of excited to take a look at this. And I'm thinking after we leave this store, we're probably going to head home, but who knows? So I think we are done. We're loading the car and getting ready to get on the road. We did a pretty good job of filling it up, right, ladies?
Yes!
Yes. All right, I am back home, and so let me show you everything I picked up this weekend. So from IKEA, I picked up this little fry pan. It's just a little like omelet-sized pan, non-stick. I picked up some bath rugs. These are really nice, and some washcloths and hand towels. Got this really cute rug that has the little streets and railroad tracks and everything on it, as well as the little cars. I got that as a Christmas present for my nephew. These little lanterns are only $3.99 each, and I am going to put some little like fairy lights inside of those, use those for decorating for Christmas. And I really like these large dinner-sized napkins from IKEA, and they're really inexpensive, so I picked up some of those to have on hand. And then I picked up this little popsicle mold because it was just like $1.50, and I wanted it for a recipe that I wanted to try. So that is basically what I got at IKEA. And then I did pick up this big bag for $4.99 because at IKEA they don't give you bags or anything, and I forgot to take my regular IKEA bag, so this is kind of like a reusable shopping bag, but it has a zipper and the cute little winter thing, so I thought I'd use it to maybe store some Christmas decorations or use it for transporting Christmas presents at Christmas time. The next store that we went to was the At Home store, and it was an amazing store with lots of home decor items, but I really didn't buy that much there. I did get a lot of ideas for DIYs though, and so the things I did buy there was this can dispenser for the pantry. And then I needed a new lunch bag, and this one was on clearance, and it has all of these containers in it, and it's insulated, so that'll be really good. It was on clearance for $12. And then I thought these flameless LED candles were really beautiful, so I picked those up for Christmas. And then I got this little reusable straw with a cleaning brush. It's kind of a portable one just to throw in your purse. I thought that might be nice to have on hand. I also picked up a package of this Spanish moss at the at-home store because I use that a lot in DIYs. And then they had in their Christmas section this garland of natural finish wood beads. And so I picked that up to do some DIY projects with. The third store we went to was the Container Store. I thought this store had a lot of good organizational items. However, it was very overpriced in my opinion, but I did buy a couple of things. I needed some suction cups to hang some things in the shower, and these looked like good ones, so I picked those up. And then also these little cable holders. I picked these up because I have several places that they will come in handy just to hold cables in place so they're not always falling. And then I picked this up for my hubby to put in his new shed to hold and organize his shovels and rakes and things. So those are the only things I got at the Container Store, but it was fun to go since I had never been before. After the Container Store, we went to TJ Maxx, and I only purchased this one packet of no-show socks. That's all I got there, so I wasn't a very big spender at TJ Maxx. On Sunday morning, we went to Tuesday Morning, that's the name of the store, and I picked up this two-tiered turntable for $9.99. I thought that was a good price, and I'm planning to use that on the top rack of my refrigerator to organize that a little bit better. Then I also picked up some more washcloths because we really just need some more of these, and these were 6 washcloths for $6, so I thought that was a good deal. They're a nice quality. And then for my daughter Emily, Toy Story is her favorite movie, so I picked this up. It's probably going to go in her stocking for Christmas. And speaking of Toy Story, we also went to the dollar store where I found these reusable Disney bags, Toy Story, and this vintage Mickey and Minnie Mouse. They also had Mulan and a couple of other, I think, non-Disney character bags as well. And then I picked up a couple of those wire baskets and a couple spools of ribbon, this paddle cutting board that I have a DIY project in mind for. And in the Crafters Square section, I picked up this little chalkboard sign and this little home lighted home sign. And in the Christmas area, I picked up these LED lights. I thought these were interesting. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with them, but I think they could be really pretty in a DIY. Then I found a red truck ornament, as well as this Season's Greetings little wood sign, and I liked the holly design on this one a lot. And that's what I picked up. So here it is, my haul for the entire weekend. Overall, I did stay within the budget that I had set for myself. I picked up some things that we needed for our home. I picked up some Christmas presents and just some items that I really liked. And I had a great weekend with my friends, and really when it's all said and done, that's what it's all about. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for coming along with us. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you stick around for more videos like this, and also a lot more DIY videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up as well, as that really helps my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a blessed day.